Okay, so it's time for the butter unboxing. Okay, so the world's jankiest scissors, which is not fully open, and I think we should just throw it away at this point. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so I got the set. Delicious bubble wrap. Delicious. I don't know how much actual unboxing this will be because, you know, I got both sets. I got peaches and this is cream. I'm gonna like lose it. It is cream. Yeah, peaches and cream. Any giggling you hear in the background is memes. She gets to do it. I know in the unboxing video that BTS themselves did Hobie use his teeth for this. I could do that, but you know, I'm gonna pretend that I don't do that all the time. Everybody is like decorating their boxes. I'm not going to do that because I'm not artistic. Right? It's very orange. The camera is going to show it as less orange than it is, but it's super orange. So booklet, poster, this. I feel like I was supposed to get something else because I pre-ordered it from Weverse. Oh, the pre-order thing, I guess I didn't get it. Message from Suga. Pulled a Tay card for Peaches. And the lyric card for each song. Permission to Dance and Butter. Sticker set. And of course, the CD. Which I'm not going to try and take out because then I'll never get it back in. Ever. Alright. Very good, very cute. Time for cream. Oh, this is so difficult. Okay. Pretty much it's the same as the other one. Like, you do have a difference in concept. But that's it. Like, so this is like a golden yellow booklet. I think the concept in here is different. Like, the only thing with these books is that you can't like open them fully. Poster, this thing. Okay, double Jungkooks. Yes. All right, so I got JK photo card and a little message from him. Exciting. And that's clearly going to be the one I keep. Unfortunate to BTS Nieceling. Haha. Same thing as the others. Sticker, CD, lyric booklet. So I will be keeping cream and she can have peaches. Or I could keep them both because I don't even know if she knew she was getting one. Bye!